Hello, my name is Dr. Konanec and I'm a dentist in Montreal, Canada. In today's video, we're going to discuss what is Bioclear and is Bioclear something for me? Bioclear is a system that was made to treat aesthetic problems of the front teeth. Problems such as these, which are gaps, black gaps in between the teeth, spaces in between the teeth, otherwise known as black triangles. These black triangles and spaces can happen after orthodontic treatment, they can happen after gum treatment, or they can happen because of tooth movement or gum movement. So let's have a look at what the system is and how it may be able to help you. So let's look at a few cases that we have seen in our office. Typically, we may see black triangles that present like this case over here. This particular patient came after orthodontics were performed. She was an adult patient and she ended up with this black triangle that really bothered her. So we proposed the Bioclear system and we were able to get a result like this. She was absolutely thrilled when she left. Oftentimes we're going to have multiple black triangles that present like this that cause these black spaces, and people feel that food and plaque is getting stuck in between the teeth. Again, we proposed the Bioclear system because we really wanted to try to stay conservative with her treatment, and we were able to achieve a result within 1 day that was very, very satisfying to the patient. Here is another case that came to our office that presented with spaces in between the teeth. The patient never even thought that anything could be done for her teeth. We proposed the Bioclear system to close the gaps and the diastemas in between the teeth, and within the same day we were able to achieve a result that the patient was extremely happy with. And most patients love the fact that we are able to preserve their natural enamel. The Bioclear system does not cut away any natural tooth. It simply adds composite resin to the existing teeth to create the natural form and contour that looks like natural teeth coming out of the gum and the bone as they should. Here is another case where we were able to treat this patient's aesthetic concerns with Bioclear veneers. This is an alternative to traditional veneers, which always have to cut natural tooth. With the Bioclear veneer, we're able to conserve all of your natural enamel and simply perform the treatment by additive only. You can see the superior shine and polish that is able to be achieved with the Bioclear system and the Bioclear Rockstar polish. Let's go ahead and discuss some of the equipment that's necessary to perform these procedures. One of the main and most important pieces of equipment is this Bioclear heater. We're able to heat the resin in this heater. Here is the composite resin that is placed into a plastic gun, and then we're able to inject this composite resin into the tooth. When we look at the specialty matrices that Bioclear has made, you can see the natural contour of this matrix. It mimics the natural contour of a natural tooth. And this is why we're able to close spaces and gaps in between the teeth that look extremely close to nature. Because of the curvature of the tooth, it has this self-sealing effect just underneath the gum. And that's why we'll never end up with any ledges that will catch floss or food. It always leaves the gums extremely healthy, and the gums will always be extremely pink after these procedures. You can see here in the Bioclear kit, it actually shows how many different types of matrices there are in relation to the size and the situation that we're presented with of the gap or the space in between the teeth. Here is the first step in the procedure. We always take the time to isolate and place this plastic over the teeth. This plastic is meant to keep the tooth dry so that we can achieve perfect bonding to the tooth of the Bioclear resin. Here you can see in this case, as we were starting to close this black triangle, we had a failed attempt of bonding from a previous treatment. With the Bioclear system, we're going to be able to extend this right down to just underneath the gum and come out with a really nice natural contour. Here we see the Bioclear system measuring the space in between the teeth. So we would measure your gap and see what kind of matrix we need to place to be able to close the size of the gap. Whether it comes out as red, yellow, green, or blue, it depends on the size of the matrix that we're going to go ahead and choose. Then we go ahead with the Bioclear matrix, placing it in between the teeth, and here you can see the actual space that's going to be filled in with the resin. Once again, if you look at where it's starting right from the bottom of the tooth where the gum begins and coming all the way up in a very natural contour. Once again, you can see that the natural tooth is still untouched and is underneath with full intact enamel. Now let's go ahead and see how we're going to mold this new tooth. Here you see the composite resin, which is warmed in the heater, being injected in the space between the matrix and the tooth. Here we see the paste coming in right after, and one of the main benefits with the Bioclear system is that it is all put in one injection molding. Because it's placed in one time, it is one strong mass of composite, whereas in the past with bonding, we used to layer by layer by layer, and that would cause gaps in between the layers. After the injection molding is done, we are able to achieve the perfect polish of each tooth and get a very satisfactory result with the Bioclear system. Hopefully you found this video useful to you in helping you decide whether Bioclear is a possible treatment for you. The one thing that we really like about it, again, is that it's very conservative of your natural tooth when compared to other treatments such as veneers. If you need any more information, you can go ahead on our website, drummonddental.com, where you'll see a lot of cases of before and after photos that we've done, or you can give us a call at the office. Thanks so much.